Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on by Gino. Starting on the Tesla daily chart, gap up above the rotation zone, coming up to the prior swing high and the 50-period EMA. This is a nice little cluster, and then pretty much closing as a doji. Let's drop to the 4-hour real quick. Key support. Now we have another gap, so if we trade below today's low, 532.34 will be watched for the gap fill, which is also right near the top of the 4-hour rotation zone, which we just got the first cross. So that's what we'll be watching for on any gap fill. We have the key support down around the 516. Let's see, the exact gap fill would be to 516.24. So that's the level around where we'll be watching for key support. If we did drop below there, we'd start watching 500 to 505. Targets, let's go back to daily now. Targets above here, if we get above today's high, which would also be above the 50-day EMA, we're then watching 586 and then 612. So those are the two key levels higher. And also keep in mind that about 505, we have the hooking up 8 EMA, which is now the former bottom of the rotation zone, which still can provide critical support. So critical support right now is at 500. If we break below 500, 487, then we'd start watching back to about 450. So we have for you on the Tesla update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.